included.
And welcome back to Polite Ranger Plays. I am joined here today by,
Parrot.
suspect Parrot. Um, so I think today's video is going to be using marksman rifles on attack and defense. What do you think about that, Parrot?
That's good. It's good.
I'm gonna die so much.
I'm actually not half bad with DMRs.
DMRs are fun.
Yeah. I already use Twitch all the time with DMRs, so it's not much different.
Well, using and using well are different things, but you know. Do you think they're gonna go upstairs or basement first?
Probably upstairs.
Oh, actually, I think I want to do. Yeah.
Why not go in Blackbeard DMR?
Huh? Well, if they're upstairs, I want to blow a hole in that one little wall above front entrance.
That's fair.
Ooh, my leg. That way we have. Oh, fuck. That way we have at least one hard breach on the team in the party.
Yeah.
Because German doesn't want to join, and Martin decided to be a bitch since the last video.
Yeah. Why did he want to?
He wanted to play Chernobyl Light.
Oh.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Okay, that's one video. Gonna send that over to this.
This girl's on fire.
Parrot.
Yes.
I made a grave mistake.
Drone has found a bomb.
What mistake did you make?
I played ranked and it just was not good.
Oh no.
So
I did.
started
That's what.
streaming and it just
10
went
seconds before
downhill.
insertion.
They're upstairs, beat away.
5 seconds to go.
I want you to down someone and finish them with your
You
drone.
located a bomb.
That's
Make
my
your way
challenge
to its
to you.
location and defuse it.
Okay.
If I down someone, I'm gonna try to finish them with my blowtorch.
Cover me! Reloading!
Now I got my shotgun. Not fair. There's gonna be one on spiral stairs.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm in danger. Oh, nope, that's not good. I'm not liking this. Oh, shit.
I downed one. On spiral stairs.
Finish him, finish him.
The diffuser is
I
no
died.
longer in your possession.
I didn't have any drones left anyways.
Shit.
They shot it like meh.
This isn't good.
Nope.
You know, I don't know why I push from this side. It never ends well. Oh, this really isn't good.
Claymore mine is ready.
I'm scared. This is not good. Oh, that's really not good. Nope, I shot next to him.
We have been eliminated.
That just fucking sucked. He just piled all of the lesions there. Damn, we only killed a single person that game? Or that round?
Yeah.
Fuck. Maybe this was a bad idea.
They gotta stick to it.
It's not looking good, but yeah, we kind of have to stick for it. It's part of the title.
Yep.
Let's see how the video uploads are doing. 21, 32. So, watch any good shows recently?
I
Your
watched the
drone to locate a
Fallout
bomb.
show that they put on Amazon.
Was it good?
I liked it.
Okay, that's
It was,
good.
it was pretty good. It was pretty gory.
Oh, those are always the best.
Yep. Didn't shy away from the actual game series.
I heard that it was pretty bad overall. But it's good that someone likes it, right?
I like it.
Yeah. It dropped.
10 seconds.
Then again, does it follow the lore of Fallout?
Be advised the drone has located a
Like
bomb.
90% of the lore. It's kind of hard to when most of the games are like have multiple endings.
Fair. I missed this place before it got reworked. I wish they made a mode where... Oh no. Okay, they fucked up. We're good. Oh shit. Nope. I just heard that break your shield.
Yeah.
Changing mags!
I'm gonna die doing this.
Drone deployed.
Ah. He's like less than half health.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna die instantly. Oh shit.
Down to one friendly.
Oh shit.
We have been eliminated.
Where? That's so fucking cheap. You can't even fucking see him.
No. Hey, I got two of them though. That's for someone I don't.
I fucking downed one.
Yeah. A new frag. I think Blackbeard's DMR is better than Twitch's.
Yeah, it's pretty useful.
You need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Ow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more videos. That means another week of videos. Let's fucking go.
Drone has located a bomb.
Too bad it has no relevance. Let's fucking go.
Woo!
I think I'm gonna label one of the Valheim videos as that.
Really good
Crushed
zone.
by tree.
Crushed by a tree.
Yes.
5 seconds to go.
Like, because the trees can actually fall on you and kill you.
You've located a bomb.
Yeah.
Do
Make your way to
much
its location and
damage.
defuse it.
Okay. Letting them go first so they get shot first.
Loading mag!
On a hostile! First floor!
Frag grenade! Breaching with Selma. Drone ready.
Oh shit! I thought I saw a shoulder. Come on, peek me again. Peek me again, please.
On 2 ping.
User is no longer in your possession.
Thanks, Ranger.
Sorry. Oh, great. Great. God, these guys play like such fucking pussies. They really do.
Loading new mag!
What is... What is Ace doing?
Friendly, last operator standing.
He's...
Four last operator standing.
Wow, she was pretty dumb. Why can't they play like that against me?
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission
One.
successful.
I hate that he got that. I actually hate that he got that. Yeah, wow. Damn it, I can't even use my shit. I think next video should be, shotguns, maybe?
Yep. Sounds like fun.
Then we'll attempt SMGs only. If we last that long.
Yeah. After this game, I got to number 2.
You can cuss, I don't care. You just couldn't save it in the first, like, 2 minutes.
Yeah, because you want the money.
I don't make the money yet.
Oh.
I have a while to go.
Secure the
Yeah.
area. Keep the bombs protected.
Today's video actually didn't do too bad. 25 views and all I put was why I hate ranked.
Hurry up,
But you know what? I'm gonna say why I hate ranked. It's fucking used to judge everything.
Yeah.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect
But
it.
like,
It does suck.
like literally
10 seconds
yesterday,
to insertion.
or sorry, the day before, German's buddies joined the party.
Down to 5
We
seconds.
played some Siege, and they're like, "Oh, you're is it
Op 4 has
copper?
located a bomb. Ready to engage.
You're copper 5. You're shit." And then I proceeded to fucking wipe them myself.
Yeah.
Heads online. Pass is ready.
There's a buck down here. It'll be on me.
Ooh, what's this peak? I'm scared. Hey, could you punch this hatch open real quick?
Yep.
Thank you. I fucking hate this. I really do. Cause then
One friendly operator remaining.
Oh my
Op
gosh.
4 has placed
our
the
Legion's
diffuser
just
near a
literally
bomb.
downstairs next to him. But then the
All
sledge
friendlies were
literally just
eliminated.
drop shots me and crawls towards me. No, not liking this at all.
No. Doesn't.
It's being truly fucking stupid. I believe this challenge was a wipe.
Yep. Nope. Over.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
Deploying ADS. Reloading!
Laser gate in position.
Yay, another round to lose.
Yay.
Laser
Op 4 has located a bomb. Plan your defenses accordingly.
Jammer. ADS deployed and ready to go.
Our team's using up
Jammer,
this.
smoke grenade now.
10 seconds to insertion. 5 seconds to insertion.
Back here, you fuck.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Oh, you're coming over here too?
Yeah.
In case I'll be over here.
They're repelling.
Yeah, and I think they're on Legion.
Of course they're right there. My plan worked.
I don't know if she got down to it or what.
They're stupid.
Why Why is he in basement? Why is he just sitting there on stairs? I don't get this. No, fuck that guy. I legitimately don't fucking get this. Why the fuck is he just sitting in basement on stairs?
Hey, I helped.
Op 4, last operator standing.
Last one's on window as far as I know. Whoever ran in to help BBQ downstairs just got fucking nitrocelled. I still have no clue why the sledge was downstairs in the basement.
Down to 15 seconds. One friendly
You
remaining.
just... You hear
Time
him.
expires in 10 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. Op 4 has deployed a diffuser. You need to destroy it. Diffuser located. Protect
To
the
your
bombs.
left.
Disable the diffuser.
He's outside already. We lost. He's outside, you idiot.
Yeah, we lost.
No. Our teammates are actually retarded.
Wait, maybe? No.
No,
Mission
our
failed.
teammates are
All
actually...
friendlies have been
No.
neutralized.
No. That had to be fucking griefing. That was just... No. No, fuck both of them, actually. What the fuck was that?
I don't know. That was bull.
Thank you, everyone,
crap.
for watching this fucking shit display of absolute autism. I swear to God. I'll fucking catch you in the next one.